Have the card of yin that talks to me about receptivity. So, if you have been the one in situations who has always been the giver, or always the one making plans, or if you're very used to showing others the way, you're being guided with the yin card to really embody your receptivity, because I think if you continuously insist on being the giver, you really block the flow of abundance. So abundance is knocking at your door, but you seem to be too busy giving it away. If this sounds like you, here's a message for you. All right, so I am seeing you to be somebody who is extremely determined in life. With the Page of Pentacles, you like to take things very slow and steady. You don't mind the effort because you're very clear on the dreams that you have. So you are ready to, merge the two sides to you. You could be very good at multitasking. Again, with the temperance, you're being asked to really drive this energy of giving to yourself, because you've been so used to this pattern of giving away your abundance that your cup starts to feel empty right now. What do you need to know right now? What's coming in for you? Wow, what's coming in for you is a lot of abundance. I have Ace of Pentacles. So the universe is here to give you a lot of monetary abundance right now. Now, this could come in a way of a new job opportunity, a sudden financial gain, a contract that you were not expecting, you just receive, or multiple sources of income. So I'm again seeing somebody who just doesn't sit with this information, who's just always ready to give it away to others. So guys, for you is justice. Be kind to yourself, and then expect others to be kind to you, because I think you do give away everything that you have, but then you feel life is too unfair.